Join me for a fancy breakfast, some pen palling, a room refresh, and more in today's video on the Daily Connoisseur. Good morning and welcome back. I'm making a classic breakfast today that always feels so fancy to me, yet it's so easy to make. Bagels with lox. I start with a toasted plain bagel and add lots of cream cheese. Then I layer a few slices of smoked salmon and squeeze some lemon juice on top. And then I add some cracked black pepper. Then I add a layer of red onion, 2 slices of juicy tomatoes with salt and pepper, and then the ingredient that absolutely makes it, a spoonful of capers. This breakfast is just glorious. I love it and it feels so fancy to me. My son has been ill this week and I want to get in here and refresh the room. When someone's been sick, I always like to open the windows to let the fresh air in, change the bedding, dust the room, and vacuum. And so I get to work. There is something very therapeutic about even opening a window and letting the fresh air in. While I clean, I'll recite this poem about bedrooms from one of my favorite poets, Emily Dickinson. Ample make this bed with awe. In it wait till judgment break, excellent and fair. Be its mattress straight, be its pillow round, let no sunrise yellow noise interrupt this ground. The top of their dresser drawers is very dusty and has gathered a lot of clutter, so it's time to go through that and make it right. I ordered this Sherlock Holmes bear from the Sherlock Holmes Museum in England last year for my youngest son, and I just love this bear. He sits up here on the dresser drawers and overlooks us all. I popped the old bedding into the washer and dryer, and that concludes this cleaning session for me today. Hello, outfit of the day check. I feel kind of scraggly because I've just been cleaning. I probably should have done this before I started. And also the exposure seems very weird, like I'm a different color. Anyway, today I feel very Merchant Ivory because I'm wearing the beautiful Ethical Silk Company t-shirt paired with the perfect quince skirt. It's like the perfect white skirt. And I love it. I feel so comfortable in this outfit. And then the shell necklace again from Dingy Berry, Otter Spirit bracelets. I kind of just wear the same things all the time if you haven't noticed. And then in the house, I'm wearing these Oliveri Life satin slippers. But when I go outside, I'll wear the M. Jemmy brown sandals. And then this messenger bag, this is the Penrose Messenger from Dooney & Bourke. And I like it because it has a very thick strap, which I need because of my back issues. So I feel like there's like a lot of support. It's a crossbody bag. and it comes in many different colors, but I'm liking this beige because the beige goes with so many of my things in my spring summer wardrobe. The exposure is very strange. I feel like I'm in a sepia film or something. I don't know what I pressed. But anyway, makeup is by Merit, and I'm experimenting with some of their new shades. And yes, I'm feeling good. I'm just doing a lot of cleaning and puttering around the house today, but I feel very light and free in this outfit. I hope that you're enjoying the video so far. I'd like to thank our wonderful sponsor, Birch Living, for bringing us this video. Birch Living is running their memorial sale right now, and they gave us an exclusive code, BirchPartner27, which gives you 27% off your purchase. One thing that's very important to our family is good, healthy sleep. That's why in our house, whenever we need to upgrade our mattress, we go with Birch Living. Birch make mattresses crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. Their mattresses are free from polyurethane foams, which can cause harmful off-gassing, and they're also free from fiberglass, which can be harmful to your health. We've had our Birch mattress for years, and when we recently upgraded our daughter's bedrooms, of course we went with Birch Living because they are the best. I'll tell you why we wanted these mattresses for our children. Their non-toxic mattresses are made right here in America and are crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. It was important for me to choose a Birch mattress that's made with organic and natural materials because unlike synthetic mattresses, the wool in these mattresses make them hypoallergenic as they are both allergen and mildew resistant. In addition to being a better mattress for us, Birch is committed to being better for the planet. I love that throughout the creation of their mattresses, Birch ensures that their materials are produced and harvested sustainably. With your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 25-year warranty. The best part about all of this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your door for free within the United States. They also offer in-home setup and removal to make your buying experience as convenient as possible. But honestly, it was so easy to do, we did this ourselves. We love our Birch mattresses, and I think that you would too. So go to birchliving.com/daily connoisseur and use our exclusive code, which is BirchPartner27, to get 27% off. Plus, you get 2 free pillows with your mattress purchase during the Memorial Day sale. Thank you so much to Birch for sponsoring. Okay, so I recently reconnected with Tracy Reese, who is the author of Amy Snow. I had originally connected with her on Twitter way back when Amy Snow came out because I talked about it on my channel, and then I included it in my favorite books video. So I sent that to her and we reconnected, and it's been so nice getting to know her more. And anyway, she's sending me 2 of her books that she thinks that I would love, which I cannot wait to read. And then I'm sending her a copy of Lessons from Madame Chic because she has never read it yet. So I'm going to sign this for Tracy and send it off in the mail. And then I'm also going to be writing her a little note card with my monogrammed stationery on it. So I am going to do that right now. But it's so nice to have these friendships that can come about, and so neat for me to be able to write to a fellow author, and I can't wait to read her new books. So when those come in, I will let you know all about them. All right, on the subject of books, I went to Barnes & Noble yesterday because I was fresh out of books. So the first one I picked up is by Shari LaPena, and it's called Everyone Here Is Lying. She's the one who wrote An Unwanted Guest that I just finished and really enjoyed. And Hillary from Old World Home, she sent me a text and said that she loves all of her books. So I'm excited to read this one. This one is a twisty thriller, which I just love a twisty thriller, so I'm excited to read it.
And I'm sorry this cut off abruptly, but the other book I bought and have since read is not really suitable for me to recommend here. So I'm just moving on. I'm not going to recommend it. All right, I'm going to end by sharing a healthy dinner idea that I recently enjoyed. A spaghetti squash tomato pie. Start by roasting your spaghetti squash. To do this, I cut them in half and take out the seeds and roast them in a bain-marie or a casserole dish with about 1 inch of water for 40 to 50 minutes at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's cooked, allow the squash to cool slightly. Then you're going to scoop the insides of the squash into a large bowl. The squash resembles spaghetti at this point, hence the name spaghetti squash. Then you're going to add cooked ground turkey or beef, some feta cheese, parsley, and seasonings. I added black pepper, salt, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then you stir until fully combined. Now, I was experimenting with this recipe and I left it at this, but after tasting it, I think it would really benefit from adding a marinara or tomato sauce here. So I've amended the recipe down below to add this. Then you're going to pour the squash filling into a greased pie pan and place the tomato slices on top and season with more salt and pepper. You're going to bake this for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then sprinkle the pie with Parmesan cheese upon completion. You'll slice this like you would a traditional pie and top with more parsley if desired. This was absolutely delicious. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, everyone. Thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring. We love our Birch mattresses, and I think you would too. So check out birchliving.com/daily connoisseur and use my exclusive code BirchPartner27 to get 27% off, plus 2 free pillows with your mattress purchase during their Memorial Day sale. Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.